TP15T compact excavator, capable of accessing areas where larger machines cannot operate. Perfect for construction sites, farms, landscaping, and narrow job spaces. Powered by Kubota D722 engine, delivering 10.2 kW, stable power at 3,600 rounds per minute, 2,100 mm digging depth, and 3,200 mm working radius. Strong performance in compact size, optional enclosed cab, adjustable undercarriage, and multiple attachments for different jobs. Compliant with Euro 5 and EPA Tier 4 emission standards. Built under strict quality control for long-term reliability. TP15T, small machine, big performance. Contact us today.